Okay, I was going to go through how to do these three type of problems on this delta math here. So the first type is adding and subtracting. So all you got to do there is combine like terms, but this, if it's minus, you need to distribute that minus to both of these. So if I just rewrite this with that negative distributed, it'll be minus 10 and minus 8i. Okay, and then from there you just combine your like terms. Negative 9 plus negative 10 would be negative 19. And 9i minus 8i, it's just going to be 1i, so just plus I can say. All right, and that would be your answer. So just combine your like terms, but if it is subtracting, make sure you distribute that subtraction to both of these terms. Next one's multiplying, which is actually just more foiling because you're multiplying binomials. So FOIL it out. 4 times 12, 48. Oops, what was it? Then it's 4 times negative 10i would be negative 40i. And then on the bottom, we've got 5i times 12 plus 60i. And then 5i times negative 10i, negative 50i squared. Now remember, I squared is negative 1, so that's going to come up here. But first, let's just see what we got. We got 48. We can combine those two middle terms. Negative 40i plus 60i is going to be plus 20i. And then remember, this is negative 1, so actually it's negative 50 times negative 1. We're actually talking plus 50 because I squared is negative 1. Okay, now you can combine the 48 and the 50. So overall, looking like we got 98 plus 20i. Maybe if I can write it. Okay, and then that last section is this A is, they're giving an A and a B, and then they're saying find the value of A squared B in fully simplified form. So we're going to do A squared, so negative 5x gets squared. Make sure you put that in parentheses and square it because you got to square the whole thing. And then times B, which B is this, negative 5x minus 2i. Okay. So we gotta do that squaring there first. Remember, when you square this, it's like negative 5x times negative 5x. It'll be 25x squared. And then we're timesing that by this binomial, which means we're going to distribute, right? Distribute to both terms of this binomial. Okay, so it's going to get distributed to both. So 25 times negative 5 is negative 125. X squared times x is x to the third. And then if I distribute it here, we're getting negative 50, right? 25 times negative 2, negative 50. X squared I. Squared I. I believe that's all we can do there. Okay, I'm going to try typing that one in quick just to see. Negative 125x to the third. Minus 50x squared I. X here, isn't it? X, oh boy. X to the third minus, what was it, 50? 50x squared I. Oh, goodness. Okay, and that is how they want it there. Okay. Hopefully that helps you guys out there in that.